Well, this thing is looking really good, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate with the engine oil. I'm going to lubricate all these parts right here. You asked me if I have to prime. No, I don't have to, but you want to lubricate all of these. All these parts, because what I did, I clean everything, right? So what we want is to have some clean oil in all those rockets and lifters, so you don't have a crazy startup, and it lubricates really quick. So that's that. It's looking good. Spark plugs are already inside. I'm not sure you can see them. No, it's hard to see, but it's looking good. So that's the next step before I put the valve cover on.